Hey guys, this is Devin with the Sasquatch Real Estate Team, and today we will be showing 1209 Barn Owl Drive. Here's the neighborhood. You're pretty far back in the neighborhood, so it should be pretty quiet. Looks like you got some dents on the garage door. Siding looks pretty decent. Windows look good. Coming in, you've got a half bath right on the side. And you've got a closet into the living room. Looks pretty good, no signs of damage. There is a little bit of damage right here on the ceiling. And you've got the kitchen and dining area. Yeah, it looks to be a good bit of damage down there. You got the pantry here. And the garage. This latch I did have some trouble with, so you'll probably have to replace it. But outside, you got the screened-in patio and a shed. Siding looks good. And going up the stairs, it does look like the stairs could use a little bit of love, a little bit of TLC. You got some patches. Looks like there could have been something there at one point. Got the washer dryer. And into the master. The master has two closets. And the master bath. It doesn't look horrible. Probably just needs a good wipe down. And then it does have a linen closet as well. There is some damage to the ceiling, but nothing too bad. Then you got the guest bedroom. Which is connected to the bathroom. Looks pretty decent. And same there, no major signs of damage. You do have some paint splotches at the top. And the bathroom. No signs of humidity damage. And that is connected to the other bedroom. Some good sized closet. But the room itself does kind of feel pretty small. All right, that was 1209 Barn Owl Drive. Let me know what you think.